Thank you for participating in iCare Trial. This video will show you how to set up your iPhone and your band. You will be receiving a band from iCare as such, with a buckle. Put on your wrist and close the buckle as such. The band is battery powered. It will last for 3 months, so there's no need to worry about charging. For iPhone, please use iPhone 6s or above models with iOS 13. Once the iPhone is turned on, please download Test Flight from App Store. This is where we will be delivering new softwares to you to use with our band. First, open the Test Flight. You should be receiving an invitation from us, which you'll see iCare Alert app. Please press install. It will take about 30 seconds to install the software. Once it's installed, please press open. You'll open up the software and you will see the licensing agreement. Go to the very end of the licensing agreement, press accept. After that, you'll be seeing the login page. Please input the user ID or the username that we sent to you. And please put in the password we've sent to you. And you can choose to use biometric authentication, which you can use facial recognition or fingerprints, or just leave it alone. Then you can just using submit. In this case, I'll turn this on, which will recognize my fingerprints. Then press submit and accept the notification. In this case, if you see an error, that means you have put in the wrong password, which we'll put in again. Once it's in, you'll see the app coming up as such. And you'll see that resident is one. My name here is Shantan Floor, which is for my own trial site, and the resident. There's no need to set up the iPhone to pair with, using Bluetooth to pair with the bands, as we have designed to be very transparent, so there's no need to do such a thing. First of all, you'll see resident. Once you click resident, you'll be able to see the name, Shantan in my case, my floor. By clicking so, you'll be able to see your activity, which will tell you the daytime energy, nighttime energy, and active durations, and the number of steps. You can swipe to the second screen to see the activity levels, and then you can see the third screen to give you a trend. You can also change the date by going back, for example, to previous days or to any days of your choice. Let's press this. And you can see that down here, you can change to a different date. For example, the 29th. You can see as such, it gives you new information, and you'll be doing the same thing with the other screens. And press back twice. You can also do a survey. By clicking on the surveys, you'll be able to see, did you eat, all different questions related to what you've done. Then, which will go same. Yes, 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 just for the time being, for demo purpose. Then you can do an update, and we'll update this information to your record. We can also go down to see viewer observations. This will give you more information about your activity level. But press this, you can see all the activity level being recorded. For more information, any question, please contact us directly, and we will walk through the whole apps and to help you to understand our system better. Thank you.